18 cyclists were asked to give a number of miles they biked last week. The responses are given below. Complete the group frequency distribution and construct the histogram for the data. A frequency distribution is basically the same thing as mode in the sense that we're counting the number of numbers. So when they say the class width is 6, that means between 2 and 7 are 6 numbers. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. That's what it means by class width. So all we're doing is counting the number of miles between 2 and 7 in this list. So I have a 7, I have a 4, I have a 5, a 4, and a 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 to 13, I have a 9, a 10, a 12, 11, 13, 11. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14 to 19, I have a 1. And lastly, 20 to 25, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I add these together to see if I counted everything, which I can see I didn't. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus 4 is 17. I missed one of the 18 cyclists, and I see it right here at the 20. So this wouldn't be 4, this would be 5. When it says construct a histogram, all you're doing is making a quote-unquote bar graph in which you would raise it up until you hit that number. So for 2 to 7, I would raise it to the 6. From 8 to 13, it would also be 6. What you'll notice is that histogram is basically like a touching bar graph. Now make these their actual colors. So what is it, green? 2 to 7 is 6. 8 to 13 is also 6. 14 to 19 is just 1. And 20 to 25 is 5. And that's how you would do problems like these. As you can see, I just did it on the explanation chart, so if you needed more questions, you could scroll down the explanation to figure out how, but that's all it is. Frequency distribution is count the number of times the number is within this category, and a histogram is just a touching bar graph. And that's it.